Hi there, today I want to show you how incredibly easy it is to create and use a Canary Token, a small but powerful tool that can alert you the moment a hacker opens a sensitive looking file on your system. Let's go to the canarytokens.org, a completely free tool. If you don't like that one, please find free alternatives for yourself. It is not a problem to find similar resources. Here you can find a lot of interesting options. For example, get alert when attacker loads your MySQL dump. You also can inject alert at image. Please examine all options by yourself. In current tutorial, I will show you all based at Microsoft Excel Canary Token. The main here is to understand the principle. So let's click here, create Canary Token, and you will see next model window. Here we need to fill out a few details. First, enter the email address where you want to receive the alert. Important thing, this email should not be the one you use on the computer where the file will be stored. Why? Because if your PC is hacked, the attacker might also gain access to your local email account and see the alert you receive. That defeats the purpose. So if you are protecting a home PC, maybe use a work email or vice versa. Keep it separate and stealthy. Let me provide some. Email box I've created for the purpose of current tutorial, test Canary Token @mail.com, and here you need to provide some clear alert message. For example, my home PC was hacked. Now let me click that green button, create Canary Token. Now let's download that file. Okay, I'm at downloads folder. This file is completely safe. Let's make it look like more legit. I'm going to rename it at something like accounts 2025. Let's go inside. Here you need to add some realistic looking but completely fake credentials. Let's create some table like resource, login and password. Here we will provide email, some fake data, some more or less real password. Let's add one more item. Okay, great. The main goal here is to keep it subtle. The more believable it looks, the higher the chance an attacker will open it. Now let's save that file. We may close it. At the next step, it is best to put it inside a hidden folder on your PC. I also recommend attaching it to the email and sending it to yourself. You can also place it in your Google Drive, cloud storage, whenever you think someone snooping might look. Let's see what happens if somebody opens the file. I will double click like a curious hacker might. And booms, I've just got an alert in my inbox, meaning someone accessed the file. It works exactly as intended. Moreover, you will get here the date and time of access and the source IP. In that case, it was hidden by me, as I would like to not discover my home IP address. Okay, great. Now I suppose you understand how it works. This took, maybe 5 minutes? It's simple, free and effective. You can create multiple tokens and hide them whenever you want. Remember, in cybersecurity, early awareness is everything. A Canary token won't stop an attacker, but it will let you know when they are inside. And sometimes that heads up is all you need. Thank you for watching and stay safe.